Hey, what's up, you guys? Today I'm doing a video on the baby birds. Not sure what they are yet, but um, so the today I'm gonna do day one, and I'll be showing you me raising them up. So yeah, this is day one, part one. I got them used to this sound. See. I know I have them in an ice cream bucket. That's what I have right now, guys. So they're cute, though, aren't they? So this is part one, and I'll show you my routine and everything with them. So for this week, until they're grown up. Yeah. What do you guys think? You guys are talkative, aren't you? Yeah. Here they are. They're sleeping. I'll do it. Also tell you how I found them in this video too. So yeah, I'll be thought I been post them by little bit, and then edit all the videos I done on them and put them in one video too. So you see all the upgrades I did. So yeah, aren't they so cute? I don't got names. I got names for them, but for right now, one is Robin, Robert, Marker, and Polo. So yeah. But aren't they so cute? They're sleeping. Yeah, how I found them is at the beach. There's not at the beach, but at my camp near the beach. Um, there's a nest knocked over, and the mom was not there right now. But I waited a couple hours, and the mom was not there. I was pretty far, and I also waited a day or so, and nothing came. So I took him in, and so I think the mom was pretty much gone. So I think the mom dumped them. So that's why I took him in, just for concussion of other people trying to take him or kill him or something goes wrong. So that's the main reason why I took him in. It was a hard time getting my parents to convince them to let me take him in. Yeah, to let you know my turtle died. So did my frog. My frog and turtle ended up passing away. So yeah, my room was boiling hot where the frog dried up, and where the water was even hot. So the turtle went in shock and then ended up having an infection and dying from that, which I would have told you guys sooner or something. I'll do a video on that too, so to keep you updated on haven't been doing videos on them. So yeah, I'm hoping these guys don't die on me either, cause I hate losing animals. Like, I've been losing them lately, and I hate losing animals like that. So yeah, but they're cute though. I'll keep you updated tomorrow of my routine, and I'll show you the next day. So yeah, and I'll show you me feeding them and all that good stuff. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye. Ka-chow!